Hey guys, welcome back to Rocky Mountain Homestead. Tonight for dinner, we are making some delicious creamy potato soup. We love this. It's cold. It's been snowy today. Let's get started with the ingredients. This is doubled. In the description down below, I'll have the original recipe written out. We are going to have 8 cups of chicken broth, 8 cups of diced potatoes, half a cup of chopped onion, 1 teaspoon seasoning salt, half a teaspoon of ground white pepper, and half a teaspoon of red ground pepper, and 2 boxes of cream cheese. For additional toppings, we like to add a little bit of cheese on top, some bacon, and some chives. So let's go ahead and get started and show you how easy it is to make this delicious recipe. This recipe is so easy. All you have to do is dump in your potatoes, put in your half a cup of chopped onions, you're going to sprinkle in your seasonings, and then you're going to go ahead and pour in your chicken broth. And that is it. I placed my heat on medium-high heat. And honestly, this is a creamy potato soup. This is not chunky. You can make it chunky if you'd like. We like ours creamy and smooth. It's so good, especially on a cold night. So I turned mine on, like I said, medium-high heat. And I don't even usually set a timer, but for you guys, I will. I just do it till my potatoes are soft enough to mash up because, like I said, we like it creamy and smooth. Let's go ahead and do 30 minutes, and I'll take you guys back in 30 minutes and let you know where we're at. It has now been 30 minutes, and I can see the potatoes are not yet at the consistency where I want them. I still have it on medium-high heat, so I'm going to add an additional 20 minutes. I will see you back here in 20 minutes. Now that we've added some additional time, as you can see, it is mashing up beautifully. And like I said, some people like potato soup that's chunky. Our family prefers it a little more on the creamier side. It is delicious either way. You can serve this with salad. You can serve this with dinner rolls. One of our favorites, but we're not doing tonight, is with a grilled ham and cheese sandwich with some salad on the side. However you want it, it's delicious. So we're going to go ahead and mix this up. You're going to go ahead and now add in your 2 bricks of cream cheese, and you're just going to lower your heat and kind of mash it up, and it is going to melt and become really, really creamy. That is it, you guys. Once the cream cheese melts, just scoop it in a bowl, top with your favorite toppings, and enjoy with a salad or bread. We had bread with this tonight. I hope you guys give it a try.